to Ndi Igbo in general. So the World Igbo Congress are one of the strongest and the most powerful and popular congress in the world.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Sorry, moderator, I'm back again. I apologize for the mix-up from my side. Yeah.
Well, thank you very much, Anyika. Anyika, you've spoken. So we are now back with Chief Okechukwu
Nwadinobi.
Yes.
Okay,
please go
thank
ahead.
you very much. I'd like to thank the organizers and everyone on this call. Ladies and gentlemen, very rich and robust submissions have already been made on the theme. I strongly believe that leadership is everything, from the family to the community, from boardrooms to the courtrooms, and from the legislative chambers to the executive chambers. This underscores the importance of Ohaneze leadership. My contribution is in 3 parts. I will derive from the history of Ohaneze, lessons learned, benefits of institutional memory, and our ability to adapt to changing times. I would like to commend the Ohaneze founding fathers on whose broad shoulders we stand. Their doggedness, resilience, and patriotism contributed to the survival and the existence of Ohaneze. Them for their vision and their determination to forge ahead as one family. Notwithstanding the challenges. Since the beginning of time, the phenomenon of leadership has centrally shaped human civilization for good or for bad. The leaders in the early years of Ohaneze were determined to provide Ndi Igbo with clear and transparent leadership as reflected in their actions and legacy. Their leadership style not only reflected the deeply culturally nuanced meaning of Oha, the people, Naeze, and leaders, but in principle derived from the age-old Igbo style of governance. This concept guaranteed equal participation and freedom to express views by all, and decisions derived through consensus of the majority. Now, I will just summarize the points I would like to recommend for Ohaneze leadership in shaping the future for Ndi Igbo. Number 1, the new leadership to take greater and keen interest in the town unions as they are the primary units and backbone of Ohaneze. 2, develop an action plan to assist Ohaneze to play the role of a people's movement. 3, adopt and build on recommendations of Alibo Stabilization Fund. 4, seek to establish digital national secretariat and state hubs. 5, Ohaneze should develop and maintain an up-to-date and reliable data bank. 6, diaspora communities should be integrated more into Ohaneze operations. Ohaneze leadership should consciously establish a more beneficial relationship with our elected and appointed office holders. 8, Ohaneze should promote the establishment of online and traditional media agencies. And finally, 9, develop a vision. Ohaneze should seek to become a movement for Ndi Igbo and win friends, promote understanding and friendly disposition towards Ndi Igbo. Thank you. Ndewo.
Thank you very much, Chief Okechukwu Nwadinobi. You've said it all, that Ohaneze, the future Ohaneze should be ICT compliance and one that should be a movement for Ndi Igbo. Thank you very much for that brief and straight to the point intervention. Now